What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Where do you study?
I study at City Medical College.
What course are you studying?
I am studying nursing.
Why did you choose nursing?
I want to help people and care for the sick.
How long is your nursing course?
It is a 4-year course.
What do you like most about nursing?
I like learning about how to care for patients.
What subjects do you study?
I study anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology.
Do you have practical classes?
Yes, we have practical classes in hospital.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is anatomy.
Is nursing a difficult course?
Yes, it can be hard, but it is very rewarding.
How do you prepare for exams?
I study every day and make notes.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
How do you travel to college?
I take the bus to college.
Do you live in a hostel or at home?
I live in the college hostel.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Do you have friends in your course?
Yes, I have many friends in my course.
What do you and your friends do during breaks?
We eat snacks and talk about our classes.
Do you have a part-time job?
Yes, I work as a part-time nurse assistant.
What do you learn during hospital training?
We learn to check blood pressure, give medicine, and care for patients.
Do you enjoy hospital training?
Yes, it is very interesting and helpful.
What is the most challenging part of hospital training?
The most challenging part is handling emergencies.
Have you worked with real patients?
Yes, we work with real patients during training.
How do you feel about helping patients?
I feel happy and proud to help people.
Do you have to wear a uniform?
Yes, we wear a white uniform during hospital training.
What skills are important for nursing?
Communication, patience, and problem-solving skills are important.
Do you like working in a team?
Yes, teamwork is very important in nursing.
What are your goals after graduation?
I want to work in a big hospital as a nurse.
Do you want to specialize in any field?
Yes, I want to specialize in pediatric nursing.
What inspires you to keep studying?
My dream of helping others inspires me.
How do you handle stress during exams?
I take short breaks and go for a walk.
Do you get homesick in the hostel?
Sometimes, but I call my family often.
What do you eat at the hostel?
We eat rice, vegetables, and some snacks.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting and gardening.
What is the most interesting thing you learned in nursing?
Learning how the human body works is very interesting.
Do you participate in college events?
Yes, I participate in cultural programs.
What do you think is the hardest part of being a nurse?
The hardest part is staying calm during emergencies.
Do you think nurses are important in society?
Yes, nurses are very important for health care.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to study nursing?
Be ready to work hard and always stay kind.
How do you balance studies and personal time?
I make a schedule and stick to it.
Do you use a computer for your studies?
Yes, I use a computer for research and assignments.
What do you do during holidays?
I visit my family and relax at home.
What do you like about your college?
I like the experienced teachers and the good library.
How do you feel when patients thank you?
I feel very happy and appreciated.
Do you need to learn other languages for nursing?
Yes, knowing different languages can help communicate with patients.
What is your favorite memory in college so far?
My favorite memory is helping a patient for the first time.
How do you stay healthy as a nursing student?
I eat healthy food and exercise regularly.
Do you want to work in your country or abroad?
I would like to work abroad for more experience.
What do you love most about being a nursing student?
I love learning how to save lives and care for people.
What does a nurse do every day?
A nurse takes care of patients, gives medicine, and checks their health.
What equipment do you use in nursing practice?
We use stethoscopes, thermometers, and blood pressure monitors.
Do you learn about first aid in nursing?
Yes, we learn how to give first aid in emergencies.
How do you comfort patients who are scared?
I talk to them calmly and listen to their worries.
What is your favorite skill you've learned in nursing?
My favorite skill is learning how to insert an IV.
Have you practiced giving injections?
Yes, we practice giving injections in our practical classes.
What do you learn about patient communication?
We learn to speak politely and explain things clearly to patients.
Do nurses work night shifts?
Yes, nurses often work at night to care for patients 24/7.
How do you handle sick children during training?
I try to be gentle and make them feel comfortable.
What do you learn about hygiene in nursing?
We learn about washing hands, sterilizing equipment, and keeping things clean.
Do you study mental health in your course?
Yes, we study how to care for patients with mental health problems.
What do you know about patient diets?
We learn about healthy diets for different medical conditions.
Have you assisted in any surgeries?
Not yet, but I have observed surgeries during hospital training.
What do you do if a patient is in pain?
I report it to the doctor and try to make the patient comfortable.
Do you learn about medicines in your course?
Yes, we learn the names, uses, and side effects of medicines.
How do you practice using medical tools?
We practice on mannequins and with each other during lab sessions.
What do you do if a patient cannot speak?
I use gestures, write things down, or communicate with family members.
How do you stay calm during emergencies?
I take a deep breath and focus on what I need to do.
Do you learn about diseases in your studies?
Yes, we study different diseases and how to treat them.
What do you think is the most rewarding part of nursing?
The most rewarding part is seeing patients recover and smile.
Thank you, Emily, for participating in this session.
Thank you so much.